Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome to S Design, where you learn about Canva, where you learn the nitty gritty, each detail you should know. Yeah, this is the channel that you learn. Even though you are from beginner, you don't know anything, you don't have the basis. Subscribe to this channel to learn more. We give weekly tricks and hacks on how to take you from a novice to a pro. Yeah, good. So today we're learning something very beautiful. So let's start by going to our Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account already, just open an account, and if you have not opened anyone, just go to some of my previous videos. You're gonna see a video here, a detailed video that's gonna teach you from beginning to the end on how to open your account. Sorry, that's what I mean. Okay, so today morning in my country, we're gonna be learning how to blend your image to a background. So this is very beautiful, and it's a very interesting thing to learn as a designer, part of your creativity. So you can work with the pictures of your clients, you can create something creativity, especially if you want to work with posters. So this video is for you. So let's get right started. I hope you should have subscribed to this channel by now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do this morning, you're going to go to customize size. You click on customize size, and yes, when you get to customize size, so we're going to be using a square shape this morning, a square shape. So I'm going to go for 32 by 32. Remember I said a square shape, so unit is going to be in pixel, then I create new design. Very well, so I wait for it to come up. It's just a very easy something. This is very simple. Just follow me. Even though you are using mobile, yes, just go to your mobile, click on create new design, post the sizes. Then after you have this interface, then you scroll to this other side of your desktop, then you scroll up. If you're also using mobile, you're gonna see something like this. Then you go to apps. Yeah, you go to apps, you click on apps, and you're gonna see many things. But then for now, we're just going to be working with few things this morning. Not just few things, we're going to be working with just one thing. Are we together? So you go to this place, then you click on, you search for blend. You search for blend, then you press enter, then you click on this first one. You see this first one? Yes. So you click on it and you allow it to load. It's going to come up. Yep, so it's going to come up. So you allow it to load. So why it come up? Let me tell you, you can use this for many creative something. Yes, you can use it to design posters, design book covers for your clients, design food posters. We also can use it to design movie posters. So are we good? So why it comes up, the network is kind of low here. Yes, so it has come up already. So good. Now check your screen. Like I'm saying, check your screen right now, because you need to learn something. Yeah, good. So now we have bottom layer and top layer. Remember I said you want to blend two images together. Are we good? Two images. So we have bottom layer and top layer. So you're going to go to you can choose anyone first, but just know that the bottom layer is what is standing as the background, and the top layer is what is standing on the top. What you're going to blend on the bottom layer, that's what the top layer is for, just as it's been pronounced, bottom and top. So you choose file, you click choose file. This interface is also the same like that on your mobile. Okay, so when you go to choose file, you go to where you have your pictures. So I have mine in my download. So I just opened my laptop this morning, so many things are just booting up. So I have my own in my download, so I don't know where you have yours. So you click on exactly where you have your pictures, and it's going to bring it up to you. So I want to use this, so I'm going to click on it, and it's going to come up. Then that's my bottom layer. Then I go to my top layer, I choose file again. Then what am I going to blend? I choose a picture that I want to blend on it. Now note this. Okay, yeah, we have what we're doing, but I want to explain something. Just ignore this first. You're going to get to this place. Now we have something we call blend mode. We have blend mode. So this is a place that you can choose the type of blending that you want. We have the normal blending. This is how it will look like. This is already one picture like this. Do you understand? So this is another way you can change the background of your picture. But what I want to say initially was that we use PNG picture for this kind of thing. PNG pictures, I mean pictures that has no background. Okay, so you can check some of my videos to understand most of that. Now I mean pictures that has no background. So it's going to be PNG picture. Now let me go back to the blend mode I'm explaining. This is a blending app. Is one of the app of Canva where we blend images together. So we have different type. We have the darken. This is how it will look like. These are the images. Yes, we have the darken. Let's use this darken for you to see what I'm saying. So you click on add to design. When you click on add to design display, it's gonna come here. So you're gonna adjust it at the edge. So this is how it's gonna look like. This is how it's gonna look like. So this is how it's gonna look like. Are we good? This is how it's gonna look like. But you see, this is how it's gonna look like. Fine, right? Even this is a kind of thing that if you use it for your poster, use it for your clients, they're going to tell you thank you. And yes, you can do it on Canva. And yes, you don't have to have a paid account. This is what a free account and a paid account can do. This is creativity at its peak. Let's add another page to see another type. So the one I use for this video is screen. I love the way the screen give it. So this is how the screen give it. So let me bring that up for you to see it clearer. So this is how you adjust it on your phone. Adjust it at the edge, not by the side. Don't adjust it here. Don't adjust it here. It distorts the images. So adjust it at the edge, like this, at the edge. So this look beautiful. This is creativity at its peak. Do you see? This is how it look like. This is how it look like. Yes. So let's try another one. Let me click on add image, add page. Add page is also on your mobile. Just click on the plus icon and you're going to add page. Now let's go and do another images. Now the bottom layer, for you to replicate many, you don't have to restart again. Yes, you just have to click on delete, then you go to choose file. Yes, so when you choose file, it comes up again. Good. So I want to click on my bottom background. Please, you can work anything with this. Then I delete this again, the top layer, then I choose file again. Then I click on the pictures I want to use on that, then I open. Then good. Then I want to use screen. Yes, like there's a blend mode that is called screen. Yes, there's this kind of effect that screen give me that I like. Then I had to design. Good. Really, do you see now? So the image is carrying the texture of the background. This is creativity at its peak. Just imagine you design this for someone, just for a poster. If I just want to add some text for this, it's going to be very beautiful. It will be like this is looking as if that's the image of the person. Like I blend it, and it just take me a few seconds to do. So try this creative. Go and try your own and blend images and be so creative in what you do. You can use the dark mode, you can use the screen, you can use any mode in this place. So thank you for watching today. Watch out for this place for more video.